What are the challenges of implementing 5G networks? If you're curious about the hurdles in bringing 5G networks to life, you're in the right place. Let's break down the key challenges that telecom companies and engineers are facing. First off, one of the biggest hurdles is the infrastructure. Implementing 5G, especially with millimeter wave technology, is far more complex than previous wireless technologies. This requires advanced training for RF engineers and a significant overhaul of existing infrastructure, including new antenna, fiber cabling, and numerous small cells to ensure proper coverage. Another challenge is the time and effort needed for beamforming, a critical feature of 5G networks. Beamforming allows for ultra-precise data transfer, but it demands high-level processing and significant design time investments during the planning stage. Latency is another critical issue. With 5G set to support technologies like self-driving cars and automated medical equipment, minimizing latency is essential. Ensuring reliable and consistent low latency requires meticulous network design and planning. Spectrum availability and management are also major challenges. 5G operates on multiple frequency bands, including low, mid, and high wave spectrums. Managing these bands efficiently requires regulatory approvals and strategic allocation, which can be costly and time-consuming. Securing 5G networks is a significant concern as well. The 5G architecture, which includes software-defined networking, virtualization, and cloud computing, creates new entry points for cyber attacks. Additionally, the vast number of connected IoT devices increases the attack surface, making it harder to monitor and secure each endpoint. Site acquisition and zoning regulations pose another obstacle. Deploying 5G requires a dense network of small cells, especially in urban areas, but securing locations for these cells can be difficult due to zoning regulations and community opposition. Fiber optic infrastructure is the backbone of 5G networks, providing the necessary bandwidth and low latency. However, expanding this infrastructure involves substantial investment and coordination with multiple stakeholders. The cost of upgrading to 5G is also a significant challenge. Most 5G equipment is not compatible with existing infrastructure, so upgrading a network requires new antenna, fiber cabling, and other hardware. The estimated cost for rolling out 5G across the U.S. is around $300 billion. Finally, there are the challenges related to mobile devices. Many existing 4G devices need to be replaced with 5G-compatible ones to fully utilize the new network. This involves a significant investment in new hardware for both consumers and telecom companies. In summary, implementing 5G networks is a complex task that involves addressing infrastructure, beamforming, latency, spectrum management, security, site acquisition, fiber optic infrastructure, costs, and device compatibility. Each of these challenges requires careful planning, significant investment, and coordination among various stakeholders.